Welcome to the English Parchment Library. Today we begin a journey for beginners and elementary learners. We have prepared 120 easy sentences to build your confidence. We will use the shadowing technique. It is very simple. Listen to my voice and repeat every word immediately after me. Try to match my speed and my sound. There are 4 chapters in this video. After every 30 sentences, we will look at the word bank to learn new words. Take your time and enjoy the practice. Let us begin with Chapter 1. Part 1. My Day and Home. 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. 2. She drinks a cup of hot tea for breakfast. 3. My father works in a big office in the city. 4. I live in a small house with a beautiful garden. 5. We often watch television in the living room. 6. The kitchen is very clean and bright today. 7. He goes to work by bus every day. 8. I like to listen to music in my bedroom. 9. My mother is cooking a delicious dinner now. 10. There is a big window in my room. 11. I usually take a shower before I go to bed. 12. We have a very friendly cat and a small dog. 13. She is reading a funny book on the sofa. 14. The sun is shining through the window. 15. I brush my teeth every morning and evening. 16. My brother is playing a computer game now. 17. We have breakfast at 8 o'clock together. 18. There are many books on the wooden shelf. 19. I am wearing my favorite blue shirt today. 20. The house is quiet and peaceful at night. 21. He sits at his desk to do his homework. 22. I need to wash my hands before eating. 23. My sister is sleeping in her small bed. 24. We have a large table in the dining room. 25. I usually go to sleep at 10 o'clock. 26. She is washing the dishes in the kitchen. 27. The floor is very clean because I cleaned it. 28. I open the door to see my friends. 29. We enjoy spending time in our cozy home. 30. Every day is a good day to learn English.
Good job on finishing the first 30 sentences. Chapter 1 is complete. Now let us learn 10 easy words from this section. Word Bank 1. Usually, most of the time. Delicious, having a very good taste. Bedroom, a room for sleeping in. Kitchen, a room where you cook food. Shower, a way of washing the body while standing. Cozy, warm, comfortable, and safe. Schedule, a plan of things to be done. Furniture, objects such as tables and chairs. Morning, the early part of the day. Evening, the end of the day before night.
Part 2. People and feelings. 31. My best friend is very kind and helpful. 32. She has long brown hair and blue eyes. 33. I feel very happy when I am with my family. 34. He is a tall man with a friendly smile. 35. They are very funny and make me laugh. 36. I am a bit tired after a long day at school. 37. My grandfather is very old but very wise. 38. She is wearing a beautiful red dress today. 39. I am hungry and I want to eat something. 40. They are very busy with their new project. 41. My little sister is very cute and small. 42. He is very brave and strong in difficult times. 43. We are excited about the party tonight. 44. She is a very famous singer in her country. 45. I am sorry for being late for the meeting. 46. They are very rich, but they are very humble. 47. My teacher is very patient and explains everything. 48. I am thirsty and I need some cold water. 49. She is very shy when she meets new people. 50. We are proud of our team for winning. 51. He is a very smart student in my class. 52. I am worried about my exam tomorrow morning. 53. They are very generous and love helping others. 54. My neighbor is very quiet and very nice. 55. I am bored because there is nothing to do. 56. She is a very polite and well-mannered girl. 57. We are surprised by the unexpected gift. 58. He is very honest and always tells the truth. 59. I am very interested in learning about history. 60. Love and kindness are important for everyone.
60 sentences are finished. Chapter 2 is now behind us. Let us analyze 10 words about people and feelings. Word Bank 2. Generous, happy to give money or help. Polite, having good manners and being kind. Patient, able to wait for a long time. Thirsty, needing something to drink. Brave, ready to face and endure danger. Humble, not proud or thinking you are better. Excited, very happy and enthusiastic. Worried, unhappy because of possible problems. Honest, always telling the truth. Beautiful, very attractive to look at.
Part 3. Food and shopping. 61. I want to buy some fresh red apples. 62. How much does this blue shirt cost today? 63. I like to eat bread and butter for breakfast. 64. This restaurant has very good Italian food. 65. I need a bottle of cold mineral water. 66. Can I pay with my credit card here? 67. I like my steak with some fried potatoes. 68. The supermarket is open from 8 to 10. 69. This coffee is too hot and very strong. 70. I am looking for a gift for my sister. 71. The vegetables in this market are very fresh. 72. I would like a glass of orange juice, please. 73. Is there a bakery near this big house? 74. I need to buy some eggs and milk now. 75. The chocolate cake looks very sweet and delicious. 76. We are having lunch at a small cafe. 77. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you. 78. I enjoy cooking pasta for my best friends. 79. The soup is very warm and very tasty. 80. I need to go to the grocery store. 81. This ice cream is my favorite summer dessert. 82. How many tomatoes do we need for salad? 83. I would like to order a large pizza. 84. The service in this hotel is very good. 85. I am looking for a pair of black shoes. 86. Do you have this shirt in a smaller size? 87. I like to drink green tea in the afternoon. 88. The fruit salad is very healthy and fresh. 89. I need to buy a new mobile phone soon. 90. Eating good food makes me feel very happy.
90 sentences are complete. Chapter 3 is now finished. Let us review 10 words about food and shopping. Word Bank 3. Market, a place where people buy and sell. Supermarket, a large shop selling food and goods. Grocery, a store that sells food and small items. Delicious, having a very pleasant taste. Order, a request for food in a restaurant. Size, how big or small something is. Dessert, sweet food eaten at the end of a meal. Healthy, good for your body and health. Bakery, a place where bread and cakes are made. Vegetable, a plant used as food.
Part 4. Places and weather. 91. The sun is very bright and very warm today. 92. It is raining outside and I have no umbrella. 93. The mountains are very high and very beautiful. 94. I want to travel to a different country soon. 95. Where is the nearest bank in this city? 96. The weather is cold, but the sky is clear. 97. I enjoy walking by the blue sea in summer. 98. The park is full of green trees and flowers. 99. I need to buy a ticket for the train now. 100. The city center is very busy and very noisy. 101. It is very windy and I need a warm coat. 102. I like the autumn because of the yellow leaves. 103. The beach is very sandy and the water is warm. 104. Is it far to the museum from this hotel? 105. I want to visit the library to read books. 106. The winter is long and it is very snowy here. 107. The street is narrow but very beautiful. 108. I am going to the airport to see my friend. 109. The flowers in the garden are very colorful. 110. It is a very cloudy day and it might rain. 111. I like to live in a quiet and small village. 112. The stars are very bright in the night sky. 113. We are going to the cinema to watch a movie. 114. The bridge over the river is very old. 115. I need a map to find the way to the park. 116. The spring is the most beautiful season for me. 117. There is a lot of traffic in the city today. 118. I enjoy sitting under the trees in the garden. 119. The world is full of interesting and new places. 120. Learning a new language opens many new doors.
You have done it. 120 sentences are finished. Let us analyze the final 10 words. Word bank 4. Mountain, a very high hill with rocks. Umbrella, a tool to protect you from the rain. Airport, a place where planes take off and land. Village, a very small town in the country. Traffic, the cars and trucks on the road. Weather, the state of the air outside. Island, a piece of land with water around it. Season, one of the 4 parts of the year. Bridge, a structure to cross a river or road. Journey, the act of traveling to a place.
Congratulations on finishing this 120 sentence practice. You have completed the elementary training for levels A1 and A2. This practice is the best way to improve your English speaking every day. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. We have many other shadowing videos for all levels from beginner to advanced. Check our library to find the right level for you. Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep learning and keep growing. We will see you in the next chapter.